Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Doctrines of vicarious liability. 1. Respondent superior doctrine. In this, let the master answer. The master or superior is responsible for the actions of subordinates or juniors. Second, captain of ship doctrine. In captain or of ship doctrine, the senior doctor acts like a captain of ship. Hence, the captain of ship is responsible for all the actions of crew members of the ship. 3. Borrowed service doctrine. In borrowed service doctrine, when the services of the employee are temporarily borrowed by an employer from the principal employer, then the new temporary employer will be held responsible for the employee and not the principal employer. In borrowed service doctrine, if the higher person is the one who just came on that day. He works in some other hospital, but he works in hospital A, but he came to a hospital B to adjust to person C's duty. So during the person A's tenure, that doctor some negligence has happened. So now that borrowed servant is responsible, or the doctor from other hospital who has come for that day is responsible for the event, not the doctor who went on leave.
thank you and thank you for watching.